Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
I hope you're having a beautiful day. Okay, first of all, for the disability dogs in the CBD area, under the health and safety and that, having public dogs in the CBD area is be a distraction, but there has been other dogs being injured, disability dogs being injured through other dogs in CBD areas. So we want you guys to have a look at it. Thank you, Kerry, for putting the ad in the touch magazine. Touch, so thank you for that, and also for Jenny as well. We thank you for that very much. We've made over just under a year. We've made over $1,600 for the South Waikato for the hearing dogs for the new training of new dogs. That's what we've done. The second one is what's happening with our kids' toys and firewood that we got ordered to get rid of. And we're not allowed to have kids' toys and firewood, and then we've been harassed by council again and again and again. It's not on. John Anderson told you to your face at our meeting at our house, Craig, that yes, he did do it. When he found out there was no audio, he about turned it, saying that he never did it.
Mr. Drow, just to remind you that the public forum is for you to address council in relation to any concerns or issues that you've got, not for personal attacks on staff or particularly the CE here, but these. So if you've got something you want to address that.
Yeah, but religion butchering came into the council.
That's got to be related to the community or yourself, but not. I don't want it to become a personal attack on staff. Okay, so if it's directed at staff and it becomes a personal attack, they have to stop.
Okay. Right, okay. Now I'll go back onto the disability dogs again. We had quite a few visitors turned up here with disability dogs, and one of them was a neglected dog, and got asked by council to leave the ground, leave the CBD area. And that should be animal dog patrol, not staff. That has happened, so any disability dogs can come into the South Waikato region, and any other towns in New Zealand should not be asked to leave, because she was totally disgusted. As the area spokesperson for disability dogs, that needs to be addressed. So I thank the Dog Patrol for responding to my texts, and that's saying there are dogs in the CBD area, like I've been asked to. And so it's getting out there into the community a bit more. I'd like to have it a bit more in touch about disability dogs and more safety awareness and that for dangerous, what happens with disability dogs getting attacked. So I had been rushed out last week by another public dog. And yeah, so that needs to be addressed as well, a bit more to the public. Thank you.
Mr. Hodge,
Yeah, thanks, Roger, and thank you for the work that you do with the disability dogs. I think you just made a comment that a member of staff asked the disability dog to be removed from the CBD. Yes. This is the first I've heard of this. We need names and I need formal advice of those situations occurring, so I can't address them. I can't address them off hearsay. Yeah. So please, if you could do that, I'd appreciate it.
I've got to try and contact her and find out. Let's get her name in there. But she was a visitor in our town, so I didn't get a formal.
So all I need is facts, if that's okay. And in terms of animal control, as you know, they'll respond to a call, and if there are, we'll work to our bylaw, and that should apply to everyone fairly. So we'll enforce it if that is required.
The biggest thing in the bylaw, though, is the Paramount states that hearing and guide dogs are allowed in the CBD. It needs to incorporate the government law where all the disability dogs are stated, even though they may not live in this area, they may not live in our district. We are on State Highway 1, we do have things on State Highway 1, and we're a good stop. We need to be more aware that people do stop in our town. There will be people with, the seizure alert assistance dogs and mobility dogs and things like that that do come into our district. I know there's a mobility dog that lives in Mandakino. Okay, it's under the total council, but she comes into here to shop. She's had issues on quite a number of occasions because she's not one of the two disability dogs listed in the bylaw.
Through you, Mr. Chairman, do all these dogs identified? They all,
Yes.
they all do wear
We all carry licences, they all have jackets. I've got a presentation that me and Naomi does. We can come to our council and show you guys, so you guys can see it all.
I've got a presentation that's got the jackets, the different types of jackets that the dogs do wear. I did a lot of research because even though, yes, we do have a hearing dog, we are on board for all disability dogs, and because most people, they know about guide dogs and that, but they don't know about the other dogs, and that's why we made this presentation, and we are offering to do it at our own time and just trying to get that awareness out there. And so if you know anyone that wants a presentation, we're available to do it.
Thank you.
So.
Any questions from councillors?
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Right, so that concludes the public forum. We'll move back into council.